Hey, this is Jerry with Orscheln Products. Today I'm looking at the HP Cable Catalog. This important tool is very helpful when you're trying to identify a cable and explain the features and different things about the cable that you need to communicate when picking a cable for your application. So inside this cable catalog is a lot of information. Starting out, you'll see the Cable Catalog Index. It lists each cable family and where to find it, starting with the features and construction and then moving into push-pull cables and universal cables, positive lock cables, vernier cables, tension cables, PTO and valve control cables, plus fast exclusive cables, assemblies, and hardware. This index is your roadmap. Anytime you know the style of the cable you're working with, you can jump straight to that section. The first section explains how Orscheln High Performance or HP cables are built and how they perform. Here you'll see things such as core construction that offers more improved flexibility and higher push loads, liners that can go up to and withstand temperatures of 300 degrees, stranded conduit which will have multiple tempered spring wires inside assuring a precise control, conduit jacket colors, dark maroon, our signature color for standard HP cables, and a satin black for Heft 2 high temperature cables. In fittings, seals, and boots all use corrosion-resistant materials for durability. Rod and sleeve bearings exclusively used to improve efficiency. You'll also find recommended bend radiuses by series, notes on routing, measuring, and anchoring the cable hubs for the best performance. Next, the catalog shows how to build a cable part number. The cable part number system lets you specify the cable type, the cable series, cable travel, conduit fitting type, overall length in inches or millimeters if you're using the M metric prefix, optional control heads for certain positive lock and vernier style cables, and each product section includes a building the part number box that walks you through the choices for that specific cable family. The first major product section covers push-pull cables in 3, 4, 6, and 8 series. On these pages, you'll see series definitions, such as 3 series HP or solid core, 4 and 6 series HP, and 8 series armor core. Thread sizes for the rods on each series, the minimum bend radius for each series, and tables listing travel, dimensions, and operating loads for both the bulkhead and the clamp end configurations. To use these pages, first match your series and travel, then read across the table to confirm the load ratings and dimensions, and finally, use the part number builder at the bottom to create a specific cable part number. Next, the catalog introduces the Universal Utility Cable section, beginning with the 3 series light duty cable. This design features an exposed core construction and offers a 3 or 5-inch travel with multiple conduit fitting options. A part number builder on the page helps you select the core type, travel, fitting style, and overall length. The next page lists all the available T-handles and knobs. These include nylon T-handles and phenolic knobs with various legends, colors, and thread sizes, ordered separately to match your specific control requirements. From there, the catalog moves into the heavy-duty universal cables available in 3, 4, and 6 series. These versions are threaded rod ends, higher load capacities, and full dimensional charts to guide your selection. Each page includes a part number builder so you can specify the series, travel, fitting type, and cable length. Next in the catalog are the positive lock cables. Now these pages include light duty 3 series with exposed solid core or high performance HP 1x7 core. Heavy duty 3 series with 1032 thread rod ends, 4 series with quarter 28 threaded rod ends. These cables lock in either direction and are used for applications such as choke, throttle, engine stop, fuel shutoff, and various latch controls. Part number generators are available. After positive lock cables, the catalog introduces the quick disconnect cables, which include vernier heads and the positive lock control heads. This section includes light-duty and heavy-duty cable constructions, travel options for each head style, the different head types, and load rating recommendations. The tension high-performance cable section focuses on pull-only cable designs in 3, 4, and 6 series. Each series shows travel options from 1 to 5 inches, dimensions for bulkhead and clamped end configurations, and operating loads. Use this section whenever your application requires tension cable rather than a push-pull cable. The catalog then moves into PTO cables and remote valve control cables. PTO cables feature a .093 solid stainless steel core, full 5 inches of travel and 6-inch bend radius, and are commonly used for power takeoff operation. RVO cables are high-performance cables designed specifically for Orscheln remote valve controls, using similar construction to 4-series push-pulls. RVC and special valve control cables are built to interface with specific valve connection kits and dump body shift controllers. These sections provide base part numbers, thread sizes, and connection styles at each end. These pages help you match the cable to a specific valve system or OEM style connection. Toward the back, you'll find fast assembler exclusive cables, which include specialty shift and mixer cables, plus application specific replacement cables. You'll also see an extensive hardware section. Each hardware item includes dimensions and thread sizes so that you can correctly finish or adapt your cable installation. In the final pages, you'll find the valve control cables that Orscheln and our fast distributors can build. These cables are available upon request and are designed specifically for a range of valve control levers. And that's how you use the Orscheln Cable Control Catalog, to quickly identify, understand, and select the right cable for your application. By following the cable's visuals, specifications, and part number builders, you can confidently match existing cables or design new ones with accuracy. If you have any questions on how to use this, or questions about the information that's contained in this catalog, please reach out. We'll be glad to help.